One of the best aspects of starting a trucking business is managing your finances. In today's video, I'm going to simplify the basic knowledge you need to properly manage your trucking business's finances, show you how to find reliable money management help for if and when you need it, and walk you through the major financial reports that you need to understand in order to properly manage your business's finances. Hi, I'm Linnell. I'm an accountant, an IRS enrolled agent, and I co-own a trucking business with my husband. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Here at That's Your Money, we're all about fueling your life for success, what they didn't teach you in trucking school. So if you want to know all about growing a successful trucking company, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Before you start your trucking business, you will need to choose an accounting method. An accounting method is a set of rules used to determine when and how your trucking business income and expenses are reported. The two basic methods are cash and accrual. If you use the cash method, you account for income when you receive it and for expenses when you pay them. Under the accrual method, you book the income when you earn it and the expenses when you owe them. For instance, if you completed a truck route on December 15, 2020, and the company paid you on January 22, 2021, in the accrual method, you account that income in 2020 when you earned it, but in the cash method, you account that income in 2021 when you received it. There are pros and cons to both methods. The cash method is easy to understand because it is similar to how your cash flows in your personal checkbook, but it does not give a clear picture of what is really going on financially, and it limits the predictive value of your money. The accrual method is more accurate of your business's financial situation, and it can reduce your tax burden, but it is more complex to understand and track. I prefer to use the accrual method because it is a more accurate snapshot of what happens in any given week, month, or year, and it is more accurate in determining which period of time is most profitable. Whether you choose the cash method or the accrual method, you want to get help with your financials so you can focus on what you are great at: running your trucking business.
All these red X's, something going on. He'll come back and clear all those out because they got the little red X's. You press the clutch, accelerator pedal, kick down switch.
Hiring a financial professional will come with upfront costs, but it will save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. If you're not savvy in business finances, consider hiring a bookkeeper or an accountant who understands your business to keep track of your data. As a small business owner, you need your financial data to be current and accurate so you can make good business decisions and ensure you have a healthy cash flow. Bookkeepers can provide day-to-day functions at a lower cost, but sometimes they don't possess the formal accounting education. A CPA will typically charge you more for their services, but can normally offer a more tailored service for your business needs. IRS enrolled agents have a comprehensive understanding in federal tax planning, individual and business tax return preparation, and can represent you before the IRS in all tax matters. There are a lot of people who claim they can help your trucking business. The best way to choose a financial professional for your trucking business is from referrals of trusted peers. You can also find reliable help through the IRS Return Preparer Office. For your convenience, I posted their link below. They list attorneys, accountants, and other tax professionals who have current credentials and qualifications. You can put in your zip code and find qualified financial professionals in your area, or if you're considering using a person or company who has virtual services, you can check here to see if they are listed with the IRS. Whether you decide to manage your own books or hire a financial professional, you will need to understand the three basic financial reports: your balance sheet, your statement of cash flows, and your P&L. The balance sheet is a snapshot of your trucking business financials. It helps you track assets, liability, and equity. The equity is the amount left over if all the business debts were paid in full. The cash flow statement reports your trucking business's sources and uses of cash. It shows at a summary level the reasons for the change in the beginning and ending balances of cash and cash equivalents that is reported on the balance sheet. The report that you will use the most is your P&L, which is your profit and loss statement, also called an income statement. The income statement, or P&L, is a detailed list of all the transactions that resulted in money coming in and money going out of your trucking business. The end result is the operating business income. When I set up an income statement, I categorize everything in the format of the tax return, and if you're doing your own accounting, I recommend you do it this way also. This makes end-of-year reporting a breeze because all you have to do is transfer the numbers from your income statement to the tax return. Let's walk through some of the major categories. The first category on your income statement is your revenue. Simply put, all the money going into your trucking business from any and all sources, including payments from customers, sale of any business assets, interest paid on savings and investments, and those types of things. In the sample income statement from the business plan video, this would be the $316,000 of anticipated revenue. To get your business profit, you subtract all the business expenses from all the business income. In our previous example, the business expenses were $216,000 and the operating profit was $100,000. Mostly all of your operating costs of your business are tax deductible. A few examples of things that are not deductible would be souvenirs that you bought at a truck stop, or maybe polo shirts that you bought with business money when you wear those same shirts at home or on the weekend when you're not working. These are considered business expenses on your income statement, but they are not tax deductible. For tax purposes, business expenses are the ordinary and necessary costs related to operating your trucking business. Ordinary meaning that most trucking businesses use the items that were purchased, and necessary meaning that you could not have successfully run your trucking business without it. The final topic we will cover is business credit. This can help you down the line if your company ever needs secure financing. Good financial management will help you obtain financing and get a better percentage rate. A few additional steps you can take to help in this area are paying all your trucking bills on time, no matter how small or large. Keep a digital calendar reminder of all your due dates and make sure you complete all business renewals timely. Consider establishing a business credit file with Dun & Bradstreet, and consider getting a business credit card, but only use the amount that you know you can pay off on time each month. In 2020, over 640 trucking companies failed and went out of business. To make sure your new trucking company is successful, it's important that you choose the best accounting method that's suited for your business, get help if you need it, and understand the 3 financial reports I mentioned earlier. I put together a free copy of our first year budget in a spreadsheet that you can get for free to use as a starting point to plan your first year P&L. Check out the link below in the description to get your free copy. In fact, I also have a video that you can watch that will walk you through having a business plan, and I show you what our first year budget looked like when we first started our trucking business. I show you how you can make financial projections to know if your business is going to be profitable. You can watch it right here and can get a good solid foundation for your business. So click into that and watch it right now. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's your money for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.